AI governance is the next big career layer. Everyone talks about building AI. Most conversations focus on building models. Very few focus on controlling them. Risk rises as AI enters critical sectors. As AI moves into finance, healthcare, legal, government, risk increases. Bias, data privacy, model drift, regulatory compliance. Regulation is coming fast. Governments worldwide are introducing AI regulations. Enterprises are responding cautiously. A new career layer is emerging that is creating a new role, AI governance, where AI governance sits. These roles operate between data science, legal, compliance, risk teams. What AI governance teams do they focus on? Monitoring model behavior, ensuring fairness, maintaining audit trails, evaluating AI outputs. This is no longer theoretical. Enterprise boards now ask, how do we control AI risk? The talent shift. Professionals who understand model evaluation, risk assessment, regulatory alignment will become highly valuable. The big reality: building AI is exciting, but governing AI will become mandatory. Career insight and mandatory skills are always in demand.